Now, a policeman and a militant have been killed and 2 other security personnel injured in an encounter in the Pulwama district of South Kashmir today. The encounter took place at Tral during a counter-insurgency operation which was launched by security forces after they received information about the presence of militants in the area. The police spokesperson said that intermittent exchange of fire between the two sides was going on. This latest encounter is a part of a series of encounters and militant attacks that have been taking place in the valley. Let's go across to Nazir Masoodi, who joins us from Srinagar. Nazir, that encounter is still going on, and it's come after a series of such encounters that we've seen in the state.
Well, Gargi, yes, this encounter is going on. One policeman has been killed and one militant is also believed to be killed. That is what CRPF telling us. They have killed one militant, but his body has not been retrieved so far. There are 3 militants who are believed to be holed up inside a house, but in the initial shootout, 3 policemen suffered injuries, including 1 CRPF officer as well. One of the injured policemen succumbed to his injuries. So this is part of the series of encounters and militant attacks across the valley, and Tral is again becoming a militant hotbed. Sopore earlier in North Kashmir used to be a hotbed of militants where we would witness the number of encounters, but same thing is happening now in South Kashmir's Tral area. Just a month ago, 4 army men were killed in this Tral area, in which 1 militant was also killed in that encounter. In fact, our sources tell us the 2 army men were first captured at that time, their weapons were taken away and they were killed. So this is a bigger challenge for the police security force here. There are all indications of resurgence of militancy. Following Afzal Guru's execution, we have seen then a Fidain attack in Srinagar in which 5 CRPF men were killed. Then there were attacks on police and the army attack, last week's attack on army in which 8 soldiers were killed. So overall the situation is not encouraging for last 1 or 2 months, and today there is a Bandh call by separate groups and there is a response. Entire shops and business establishments are closed while the public private transport is on the roads. Public transport is off the roads. Educational institutions and the colleges are also closed here. So overall the things are not encouraging for last 2 months, and it is now a bigger challenge for the administration, security force, how they are going to deal with the situation both on the law and order front and also on counter-insurgency front as well. Gargi.
All right, Nazir, thanks so much for joining us with that from Srinagar.